Hello, hi. I bought this soundbar right here, and I didn't like it. It was a cheap soundbar. I don't have. I'm not a rich person, so I always trying to buy or look for the least expensive stuff. So I I was thinking how to improve the sound of the soundbar. So there, I opened the soundbar in the back. It was we have to be careful how to open it. You're not going to electrocute it, power it. This is going to be unplugged when you do it. Open the back, and I connect several speakers, and I connect this speaker right here, this speaker right here, and then these are from other surround sound that I have, and I pick it up from the trash. I connect this right here. I'm gonna put the sound higher so you can see how well it sounds.
Sanctuary, miles from the other remains. The DA did not link Vergara's death
so
to Rex Sherman. He also didn't say how her skull wound up here in these bushes so far away from the rest of her body. What we do know is that where I'm standing is about 4 miles from Gilgo Beach. In 2010, police discovered 4 bodies on Gilgo Beach. Rex Sherman is accused of killing 3 of them. Police believed at the time they had a serial killer. In a search for more victims, they found Vergara's skull just over 5 months later. But no ID was made until Suffolk County officials assembled a task force reporting members of the FBI last year.
In September of 2022.
I just pull out some wires. I connect the 2 speakers. I put this kind of wire on the speaker right here, and it sounds pretty good. I mean, I don't need to spend hundreds of dollars for the a good soundbar or whatever it is. Now, nice sound system. So this is one of the things. The other thing is that we can, I just did one of the TVs. We can open, this is an old TV that I bought like 20 years ago, 2004, somewhere right there. And I want to improve the sound for this TV. This TV works sometimes just not working, and then I turn it off and I don't use it for months, and then I didn't use it for probably 6 months or more, and now I connect it and plug it and it works. It did work again. So what I did, I opened the back. It's unplugged, it's no power on it, and I am going to connect a wire right here. I just add this 2 wires right here because they were very short. So I'm going to connect an extension wire, longer wire, right here on this speaker. I'm gonna do it now. Okay, I'm gonna connect the wires right there. This is the wire I'm gonna connect to that speaker that I just showed. It's attached to the speaker, the little speaker, and it can be on any end. It can be on this end right here or these two ends, but the color of the wire got to be the same line. We cannot mix it. May do something, may not, but I just follow the line so it won't be any problem if there is. The other thing is that I'm going to use a wire nut just in case. There is not really power on these lines, but just in case we need to prevent any fire or something. Okay, that is that. That is that. And that's the other one. That's the other wire nut. I didn't have a smaller than this wire nut, so I'm gonna have to use these big ones. I'm gonna put some electrical tape maybe around so it won't fall. It's not gonna fall down. See, this one is not getting any somehow. Okay, we're just gonna leave it like that. I don't want to make this video too long. The other thing is I don't know how to edit videos, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna put some wire electrical tape on it so the wire nut won't fall. And this is the other speaker right here. I'm gonna turn this a little bit. This TV it's so heavy. It's like 100 pounds or more because it's made by a glass. The new TVs are made with plexiglass, so it's not heavy at all, but this one has glass on it. So there is the other speaker right there, right here. This one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it. I'm going to check the two wires right here. I'm going to take it out of this tape that we put to keep the wire in place. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to push the wire, cut whatever the plastic over the wire. And again, the wire is very short. So I'm going to follow the blue with the blue and the black with the black. And I'm going to put the wires over here. Like I said, we don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on sound systems. I think I discovered the way to how we can improve the sound on any TV, not just some kind of TV. Any TV can be, we can improve the sound. And like I said, I'm going to put the blue with the blue. There. I'm going to put the wire knot right here. Yeah, again, the wire nuts are really big, so they can really hold the wire because it's very thin. Oh, there. So black with the black. So we're just going to put it in there. Oh no. Forgot to put my wire. So I'm going to connect this wire. This one doesn't matter because it don't have a color or anything. Maybe it does. This one has a little black, so we're going to put it with the black, but I don't think that matters. So there is one, and this is the other one. It's not a big deal to do this. Don't be afraid of doing things. Because things might be good for you. So this is the other speaker on the other side of the TV. I'm gonna put everything back. I'm gonna put the back. I'm gonna leave the wire out from anywhere. We don't have to make a hole or anything on the back or bring it out through any hole from the back. It's just the wire is very thin, so it can go from anywhere out. It can go from out from any this wire nut's not getting, it's not holding anything. Okay, there. So it's gonna hold this. I'm gonna go and get the tape because I don't have it here.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
We're just gonna put a little tape over here so it's gonna hold the wire nuts in place. So when you put the back of the cover back, it's not going to block anything. To put the back of the TV on. The wire, I'm just going to do it right there. That's good. That is good. What about this one? This one not gonna move, so we're not gonna do anything on that. So, I am going to connect the TV like that, just to see how it works, the sound. Oh, I'm going to connect the speaker. This is one of the speakers right here, and put the it's one of the speakers. I'm going to connect the other one over here.
New plans washed out. It's not going to rain all day, but you do have a chance of severe storms and eventually through a good section here of Kentucky, including the areas that just had all that significant flooding early this morning. And as far as the heat goes, this is still ridiculous and it's not ending anytime soon. Still feels over 110.
Okay, so
New Orleans, that's gross. That's in the
it works very good.
And extreme heat warnings go from Tucson to Phoenix to Oklahoma. And you guessed it, not going to end anytime soon this weekend. Near record highs across the board.
Karen, thank you. We are also following severe flooding overseas. In Slovenia, at least 3 people are dead after a month's worth of rain fell there in just 24 hours. Emergency crews pulling people from cars and homes, trying to get them to safety. Matt Bradley has our report.
this is
deadly
the
flooding
other
disaster
speaker.
unfolding in Slovenia.
That is
carrying out swift water
the
rescue,
TV.
dragging this woman out the
It's about 20 something years old TV, so it works pretty good. I like the sound. I'm gonna add more speakers, and if you want to
the
add,
European nation Thursday night, dropping a month's worth of rain in 24 hours. The mayor of this town saying a landslide has cut off access to one village, and people are still trapped. So far across Slovenia, at least 3 people dead, thousands more forced to evacuate their homes. A state of emergency stretching across nearly the entire country.
and if you want to add any more speakers, so you can put it around your room or anywhere you have your TV, just you can add the speakers on these 2 lines and on the 2 lines, the right and the left speaker. I'm going to add those speakers. These speakers,
bracing for more dangerous flooding.
I got it from the trash. These 2 speakers,
Matt Bradley,
kind of.
NBC News.
I threw some speakers away, and I regret it because I couldn't use it. I didn't know that we can use this, but I'm always trying to do things on things. I'm not a smart person. I have dyslexia, but sometimes things get to my brain somehow. I've been discovering things that science don't want to bring it out. Okay, so this is a very easy, simple thing, but it makes a huge difference. All right, it's 22 minutes. All right, so see you till the next project.